In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Quantower. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of the page, type in the word Quantower, and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Now, this step is important because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. By searching for Quantower, we're ensuring that we find the latest and most accurate information. Next up, we need to identify the correct link to click on. Look for the official Quantower website, which should be one of the top results. It's crucial to select the right link to avoid any potential risks or downloading incorrect files. Once you've found the official Quantower website, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to their homepage. Now that you're on the Quantower site, look for the download button. This is usually prominently displayed on their homepage, often highlighted in a different color to make it easily noticeable. Clicking this button initiates the download process. This step is important because it ensures you're grabbing the correct version directly from the official source. Once you've done this, you might see a short delay as the site processes your request. After clicking the download button, you'll be routed to the download page. Here, you will see options for different versions. For most users, the latest stable version for Windows is the best choice. This version provides the most reliable performance with the latest features. Click the download option for the latest stable Windows version. Now the download should begin automatically. You can verify this by checking your browser's download manager or file manager. You will see the file downloading, and it may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. It's a good time to mention that downloading from the official site ensures you receive a safe and functional version of the software. Once the download has completed, you'll have the Quantower installation file on your computer. You can usually find this in your Downloads folder, unless you have specified a different location for downloads. At this point, you're ready to proceed with the installation, which we will cover in another video. Remember, downloading software directly from the official site minimizes security risks and ensures you have the latest features and updates. That's it for today's tutorial on how to download Quantower. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more instructional videos, and happy trading!